Hi, I'm Craig here at Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Have you been looking for a way to treat yourself or someone you care about? Are you looking for a particular procedure that resolves an issue or concern you may have? Here at Tranquil Waters Med Spa in Gilbert, Arizona, we offer a full spectrum of spa services and minimally invasive procedures for men and women. We carry the best facial products that are only available at a professional med spa, so you too can experience the difference by using these fine products we use every day. We have a wide range of services we specialize in, from Botox and fillers to massage, facials, body contouring, female rejuvenation, hair loss, tattoo removal, and so much more. So feel free to give us a call or stop by and see how we can make your day just a little bit brighter. Come take a look inside at tranquilwatersmedspa.com.
I'm Taylor. I'm one of the estheticians at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, and today we are going to be doing dermaplaning on one of our clients today. This is a really good treatment to kind of help exfoliate the skin and remove all the dead skin cells that you can't get. Also, it helps get rid of all that unwanted peach fuzz on the face, all the baby hairs that we have. Also, your makeup goes on super smooth after you have this treatment if you do wear makeup during the day. It's also a good treatment before other treatments, such as a chemical peel or any other laser treatments, to kind of prepare the skin for that treatment. It's also really great for after you have the dermaplaning done, a lot of your product goes into your skin a lot better. So this treatment doesn't hurt or anything like that. There's really no downtime with this treatment. Usually it's good if you pair it with a facial, just because you're getting a lot more benefits out of the products that you put on after you do the dermaplaning, and then they penetrate deeper into the skin after you do the dermaplaning. Thank you for watching. We did the dermaplaning treatment today. My name is Taylor. Feel free to give us a call if you have any other questions. Our phone number is 480-638-9165. Thank you. I'm Taylor. I'm one of the estheticians at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, and today we're going to be doing the microdermabrasion. This is a physical way of exfoliating the skin. It's really good for clients that have acneic skin, any hormonal imbalances, really good for teenagers that are just getting that breakout that they can't control. It's also a good alternative to dermaplaning. When you have that acne, it's harder to do the dermaplaning on, and it can make you break out a little bit more. So this is a good treatment instead of the dermaplaning. It has a suction to it, so it's kind of cleaning out your pores, and then it has little crystals in it that help brush against the skin and kind of exfoliate at the same time. So this treatment is really good for clients that kind of want to focus on cleaning out their pores, if they don't like to have extractions done during a facial. It also helps any hyperpigmentation over time and acne scarring, and just clean everything out. So what you're seeing left over on her skin is the crystals, the diamond crystals that are exfoliating, and then it's using the suction to kind of clean out the pores at the same time. And there's really no downtime with this treatment. You won't be red or anything like that after. And it's really good if you pair it with a facial to kind of clean everything up. Thank you for watching. We did the microdermabrasion today. Aftercare with this treatment, just make sure you're keeping your skin nice and clean, and then moisturized, of course. You don't need to do any other exfoliating for the rest of the week. And then make sure you're applying a SPF before you go outside or anything like that. If you have any other questions or want to do a consultation, our phone number is 480-638-9165. Thank you. I'm Taylor. I'm one of the laser techs at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, and today we're talking about the Duva Shape body sculpting. This treatment works well for clients that are not wanting like a weight loss program, but kind of just working on that problem area of their body, whether it be like the back of their thighs, front of their thighs, their stomach, just that area that they can't really get from eating good and working out. It only takes about 10 to 20 minutes. It's virtually painless. Kind of just feels like a hot stone massage. Usually clients need about 4 to 6 treatments with this, and then you space them out 2 weeks apart. For best results, you want to drink a lot of water, especially right after the treatment, because you want to flush everything out through the lymphatic system, and that's how you kind of help with the fat reduction, and then everything tightens up after that. So this treatment is kind of different from other treatments because there's treatments out there that help with the fat reduction and all that, but this is focusing on all that skin tightening, especially if a lot of clients had like babies and stuff like that or lost a lot of weight. It just tightens everything up and helps with fat reduction as well. So it's kind of doing both. It's doing the fat reduction and the skin tightening at the same time. So today I talked about the Duva Shape body sculpting. If you have any questions or just want to do a consultation with us, our phone number is 480-638-9165. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Kent with Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Today we're going to talk about something many of us experience, and this is called submental fat, or more commonly known as double chin. This tends to be genetic, and we are often quite self-conscious about it. Myself was included in this category. Now there is a product out there that helps to get rid of that annoying double chin, and it's called Kybella. So what is Kybella? Kybella is actually deoxycholic acid, and this is the same thing that's in our gut that uses it to digest fat. So when we inject it into the submental fat area, it actually digests that fat, and that fat is then gone for good. So let's talk about how long it takes. On average, it takes about 2 to 4 treatments. This is because it works much like layers of an onion. Each time we do it, we're taking away one layer of fat. So after each treatment, we're getting a little bit more fat gone each time. Now with most people, they will not see much of a result after the first treatment. Generally about 10% of us will see an improvement, but by the second and third treatment, most people are seeing a significant improvement in their submental fat. Now, let's talk about downtime. It's a question that most people ask. Well, after the treatment, you will be rather swollen, and of course, for the first 4 or 5 days, you're quite swollen. And then after time, that will slowly decrease, and usually by about 3 to 4 weeks, you're completely back to normal. Keep in mind that the more swelling you have, the better it is, as we know that the Kybella is actually working. It's important once you've been treated with Kybella not to take ibuprofen or other medications that help to decrease the swelling, because the swelling is actually good and it helps to assist in the tightening of the skin underneath the chin. The procedure itself doesn't take very long. Once I've got you all prepped, it takes less than 2 to 3 minutes for me to inject it into the submental fat area where the fat actually sits. It does burn and tingle, usually for about a maximum of 10 minutes, and this indicates that the Kybella is doing its job. How much does it hurt? It ranges on a scale of 1 to 10. Most people say it's about a 5 or a 6. So if you're ready to take the next step, or would just like to learn more information about the procedure, give us a call at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, 480-638-9165, and one of our staff will be happy to help or just answer any questions that you have. Once again, I'm Dr. Nicole Kent at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, and we hope to see you soon. I'm Dr. Nicole Kent, and I'm with Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Today I'm going to discuss something that's very important and affects many, many women, especially women as they age. I'm talking about Votiva and the benefits it provides for feminine rejuvenation. What is Votiva? Well, Votiva is a new alternative to surgery for feminine-related issues such as laxity, dryness, urinary stress incontinence, decreased sensation, all of which often occur after childbirth or with menopause. Votiva is a unique opportunity to rejuvenate the feminine area and resolve these issues along with enhancing tightness and muscle tone. Now, with any medical procedure, the first thought is this painful? Is it lengthy? Is it risky? But with Votiva, it's a quick and painless procedure, and it's also FDA approved specifically for feminine rejuvenation. We do it right here in our relaxing Tranquil Waters Med Spa. So let's go over some questions that many people ask about Votiva. Firstly, how does it work? Well, we tend to do a series of 3 procedures that uses thermal energy, specifically radio frequency. It takes about 10 minutes and it's very safe, and it's used both internally and externally. The thermal energy or radio frequency stimulates production of elastin and collagen, which leads to the tightening in the area. Another question many people ask is, well, what about downtime? There's virtually no downtime with this quick procedure due to the quick and easy process, and it can be done between busy tasks and errands that we have to do all day long. So if you're ready to take the next step or would just like more information on the procedure, give us a call at 480-638-9165, and one of our staff would be happy to help or answer any of the questions that you may have. Once again, I'm Dr. Nicole Kent with Tranquil Waters Med Spa, and we hope to see you soon. Hi, it's Dr. Nicole Kent from Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Just wanted to let you in on a secret. We've got some fabulous new procedures that we're now rolling out at our spa. The first one I want to talk about are PDO threads. PDO threads are dissolvable sutures that have been used for years in cardiothoracic surgery and have now found a brand new area of use in aesthetics. And they actually essentially do a thread lift or a non-surgical facelift. What we do with these threads is it's a very quick procedure here in the office. I make a small incision either around the cheekbone here or down around the angle of the jaw. We thread the sutures down into the nasolabial folds or into the jowls, and then it gently lifts and brings it back up again. It is absolutely amazing. Procedure takes about an hour, minimal pain. Once the sutures are placed, they then will cause collagen induction, and so you'll get thickening of the skin and build up in and around the area. And the sutures will eventually dissolve within the face, usually in about 4 to 6 months. The lasting effect typically is about 9 to 12 months. Hi, it's Dr. Nicole Kent again from Tranquil Waters Med Spa, just letting you in on the second exciting new procedure that we're rolling out for the month of March. This one is plasma skin tightening with the new plasma pen. This is an unbelievable new procedure which is causing tightening in and around the difficult area to do of the upper and lower eyelid. This is an in-office procedure, completely painless. We use a topical anesthetic, we put on for about an hour, and then use the plasma pen. What this plasma pen does is it actually causes the skin to basically evaporate, which we call sublimation. It then leaves it behind a very small crust, and at the end you almost look like you've had a henna tattoo done in the area. This then heals up over the next week or so with a little crust falling off in about 3 to 5 days, and then the skin ultimately tightening. It is amazing. On top of causing the tightening of the skin, over the next 4 to 6 weeks, it also leads to collagen induction, so you get further thickening and tightening of the skin. Not only can we use this in and around the eye area, but we can also use it around the jowls and in the neck area. So give us a call at Tranquil Waters Med Spa and book an appointment to have a consult with Dr. Kent to see if this is right for you. Give us a call. Thanks. Hi, it's Dr. Nicole Kent here from Tranquil Waters Med Spa, here to tell you about our third and final exciting procedure that we're rolling out for the month of March. After doing much research, we are now happy to present hormone replacement therapy. This will be bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, both for men and women. From a woman's point of view, as they start to go through menopause, they struggle with things like hot flashes, difficulty sleeping, trouble concentrating, decreased libido, low mood, low energy, and the hormone replacement therapy will address all of these issues. It's absolutely amazing. After doing the research, I decided to go with the T-Core 20, which is a cream. I like this one the best because I can actually adjust it week by week with the patients as they are getting used to it. This is not only for women, it's also for men. Men don't go through menopause, however, they do kind of go through a menopause. As they get older and at the hit past 30 years of age, their testosterone level starts to go down. And with that, they will start to experience things like difficulty with erections or with their energy, mood goes down, trouble building up muscle bulk if they're working out, and they start to get kind of that middle-age spread around their middle, and the testosterone replacement will help address all of those. It will help with the weight loss, it will help with muscle development, erectile dysfunction, and low libido. So give us a call, come and visit us here at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, have a quick consult with myself, Dr. Nicole Kent, and I can tell you more about it and see if you are a good candidate. Thanks a lot.
Hey guys, I'm here today at the Tranquil Waters Med Spa. It is one of the top 3 rated med spas here in Gilbert, Arizona, and also one of the only medical spas that has a medical doctor on staff. I am going to be getting a signature facial done today, and I'm super excited to see what they can do to my skin, as I've been having some issues with it lately. So let's go in and see what they have personally designed for me. Hey guys, I just finished up my facial. I feel so amazing right now. Not only does my skin feel relaxed and glowing, but my whole body does. I got a facial done by Mai, and she was amazing because while I was getting my facial done, she was also massaging my neck and my back and my arms and my hands. It was just an absolute amazing experience. Not only did my face get treated, but I feel like my soul, my mind, my body, and I'm just ready kind of to be refreshed for the week and the weekend, and it was amazing. So if you guys want to check them out, they are located in Gilbert, Arizona. I'll link their Instagram below so that you guys can check it out, and definitely come because it was one of the best facials I've ever had.
Hey everybody, it's Kelly Gannon from the Gannon Edit, and I'm here at the Tranquil Waters Med Spa in Gilbert, and I'm about to have a dermaplaning facial, which for this time of year in Arizona is fantastic because we have so many temperature fluctuations and your skin really feels the brunt of it as the season goes on. So I'm really excited. I've heard amazing things about this particular spa, and I will be back with you guys soon to let you know how it goes. Hey guys, I can't tell you what an amazing experience that was. Not only am I incredibly relaxed, my skin feels great, and more importantly, my technician was so knowledgeable. So we really spent a lot of time talking about my skin and concerns that I have, and developed like a long-term plan, really. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to come back. I hope you guys all come and try it. I know you're gonna love it here as much as I do. And I want to hear all about it. So let me know after you come in if you guys thought it was as fantastic as I did.
You know that look? That life of the party look. Walk it off look. 1 more mile look. Reply All look. Own your look with fewer lines. There's only one Botox Cosmetic. It's the only one FDA approved to temporarily make frown lines, crow's feet, and forehead lines look better. The effects of Botox Cosmetic may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away, as difficulty swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness may be a sign of a life-threatening condition. Do not receive Botox Cosmetic if you have a skin infection. Side effects may include allergic reactions, injection site pain, headache, eyebrow, eyelid drooping, and eyelid swelling. Tell your doctor about your medical history, muscle or nerve conditions, and medications including botulinum toxins, as these may increase the risk of serious side effects. So give that just saw a puppy look, and whatever that look is. Look like you with fewer lines. Own your look.
Accutite is the smallest radiofrequency contraction device that allows you to target small areas of the face, and it has the most peer-reviewed publications backing its safety and efficacy. Patients who need precision fat reduction and contouring can now have this procedure done in an office setting. As you can see here, it requires only local anesthesia and no invasive cutting. It can be done in under 20 minutes, and here at Tranquil Waters, because we have a medical doctor on staff, you can feel confident that you are in the right hands. What is FaceTite? FaceTite is a minimally invasive contouring solution for the face and small areas of the body. This is a safe, effective, and exciting contouring solution that allows you to make significant aesthetic changes to different areas of the body. FaceTite is powered by RFAL technology and uses three-dimensional imaging to contour the body. FaceTite uses built-in safeguards like real-time skin and fat temperature monitoring, impedance monitoring, power cutoff, and audible feedback to ensure patient safety. At Tranquil Waters, we take patient safety one step further by having a real medical doctor on staff, so you can feel like you are in the right hands. What is Morpheus 8? Morpheus 8 is a subdermal adipose remodeling device that allows you to go in and fractionally contour and sculpt the body and face. Penetrating deep into the face and body, this is able to transform aging skin into a more sleek and smooth appearance for all skin types. If you'd like to find out more information about Morpheus or any of our other procedures, please contact Tranquil Waters Med Spa at the number listed below. Hope to see you soon. Today, at Tranquil Waters Med Spa, we're here to introduce an exciting new service called microblading. Microblading is a semi-permanent marking solution that allows you to achieve fuller, more well-defined brows. As you can see here, Mai is cleaning the area and numbing it before beginning treatment. Then she goes in with a small handheld tool to individually draw in each of the brow hairs. Finally, an ointment is applied to help with healing. With this method, we can create almost any look, from a very natural finish to a bold, defined brow. We work with you and consult you to find the best shape and color to fit your skin tone, your face shape, and your hair color. If you're interested in this service or just learning more, please give us a call at the number listed on the screen below.
Hi guys, it's Taylor from Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Today we're going to be showing you a little sneak peek of our treatment called the Fractura with Dr. Kent, just to give you guys a closer look on how it's done and the benefits from the treatment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Kent here at Tranquil Waters Med Spa. Today we are going to be doing a Fractura. This is radiofrequency microneedling, which is fabulous for fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin tone, texture, turgor. At the moment, our lovely patient here is using our Pronox, which she's obviously enjoying, which helps to take the edge off of the discomfort that we have with Fractura. We've had a topical anesthetic on her for an hour that we've just wiped off of her face. We've still left it on her neck. That's part 2 that we're gonna do. And then we'll also use a Zimmer, which helps cool, which will also take some of the discomfort away. We find when we use the combination of a topical anesthetic with the cooling Zimmer and the Pronox, most of our patients say the discomfort level is about a 1 or 2 out of 10. Yeah, she's happy. She's happy. All right, so we're gonna come along the jawline first. So we're starting along the jawline first. Let me stretch the skin out really well. Put firm pressure. Procedure takes about an hour. How was that? What was your pain level on that? 1?
I'm fine,
All right.
I think.
So because we use the Pronox, it allows me to have a more aggressive treatment and move the energy up. So you usually start off low, see how the skin reacts to it. You can see a little bit of redness, and if you look closely, there's some fine pinpoints from the little micro needles. If you look in on that, you can see the little needles. And a radio frequency will go down into the skin. It's called controlled wounding, and then that will cause collagen induction over the next 6 to 12 weeks on average. So it's not a quick response, but it's an incredible response. We'll see some small pinpoint bleeding, especially as we get over the bone. If I get a lot of pinpoint bleeding in someone of this age,
You saying I'm old?
young, someone is young, as this particular patient,
That's better.
then I'll sometimes turn it down. I don't need it to be quite so aggressive. We're trying to get more tone and texture with her. She does not have deep wrinkles as she thinks she does. She has some fine lines. Notice some textural changes. This will plump that skin back up again beautifully. How you doing? Still hanging in there?
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna get you to pick up that way there. So everybody always wants to know what downtime is like after this. We usually say downtime's about 2 or 3 days, depending upon how aggressive we were with the amount of energy that we're putting in. All right, so now we're gonna do around the mouth. So have a couple of good breaths, and then we're gonna go do it around your mouth. So generally I'll do a series of 3 of these. About 3 to 4 weeks apart. We can do up to 5. Some of our younger patients, like our individual here, may only need 1. But I suspect with the complaints she's got with lines on her neck, she'll want at least 2.
You just got a closer look into the Fractura treatment, which is good for collagen induction, and then also we do skin tightening at the same time. So if you're curious to see if you're a good candidate for it, just give us a call at 480-638-9165. See you soon.